A star-studded swearing-in ceremony for Chandrababu Naidu, the incoming Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, is planned for tomorrow morning. We've got a quick sneak preview into the high-profile attendees for the swearing-in ceremony. Rajinikanth, Mohan Babu, Allu Arjun, Junior NTR, Chiranjeevi and Ram Charan are confirmed attendees. Apart from the superstar actors from South cinema, Prime Minister Modi, Amit Shah, Nitish Kumar, Yogi Adityanath, the Rajasthan Chief Minister, the Uttarakhand Chief Minister, Eknath Shinde of Maharashtra and Revanth Reddy of Telangana have all confirmed that they will be present in Vijayawada tomorrow for the big swearing-in ceremony in Amravati. Okay, so the big... Let's go across to Akshita live with us on this. Akshita, not really surprising to see the big celebrity and political attendees who've confirmed attendance for the swearing-in tomorrow.
That's right, Shiv. So Chiranjeevi as well as Ram Charan will most definitely be there for tomorrow's swearing-in. We can confirm that for our viewers. Chiranjeevi, of course, won't miss out on the opportunity of seeing his brother Pawan Kalyan in all likelihood take oath as the Deputy Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. So besides that, of course, Pawan Kalyan's nephew Ram Charan also will be there. His other nephew, Allu Arjun, big question mark on whether he'll attend or not, but he's most definitely been invited, is what sources tell us here on India Today. Junior NTR has been invited. Again, a big question mark on whether he'll attend because he's tried to steer clear of taking any political stand so far, considering, of course, the storm that hit the NTR family and how they essentially divided over Chandrababu Naidu and where they stand really on the TDP. So we'll have to see whether Junior NTR actually attends the swearing-in ceremony or not. Besides that, Rajinikanth, Mohan Babu, all veteran, actors, they've also been invited for the swearing-in ceremony. So clearly at this point, Chandrababu Naidu has pulled all stops to ensure that this is truly a historic swearing-in ceremony. All BJP chief ministers have also been invited, Shiv. I'm hearing right now that there's a possibility of Yogi Adityanath not attending because of prior commitments. But Prime Minister Modi will be there. Home Minister Amit Shah is touching down in Vijayawada today and is having a very important meeting with Chandrababu Naidu later tonight. And also what we're hearing is, interestingly, the only non-BJP CM who will be there is Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, or at least he's been invited. In all likelihood, he will attend.
Very, very interesting invitation list. Let's see how many of them actually turn up. If all of them do, it will be easily one of the most star-studded swearing-ins we have seen in recent history. So we'll keep a close eye on that. Akshita and all of our team will be fronting our coverage starting 10 a.m. tomorrow. The big build-up to the Naidu Nadu, as we're calling it, the big return of Chandrababu Naidu as Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, with Deputy Chief Minister very, very likely to be Pawan Kalyan. We'll keep you posted on that. Don't miss our coverage of that big swearing-in tomorrow morning.